Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make brown sugar. Two ways: light brown sugar and dark brown sugar. This brown sugar, you can use it in so many dishes: chocolate chip cookie, brownies, and so much more. And before we move forward, if you're new on my channel, consider to subscribe and also stay tuned. Put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, for our light brown sugar, we're gonna use 1 cup of regular white sugar and 1 teaspoon of molasses. Okay, so to start, we're going to combine both ingredients and then mix it up with our hand until it turns out to brown sugar. So 1 cup of white sugar in our bowl and 1 teaspoon of molasses. So with our fingertip, we're gonna just mix it up until it turns out brown sugar. Let's go. Okay, so you continue rubbing it like this for about 1 minute and you have your light brown sugar ready to go. This light brown sugar, you can use it to bake some brownies, you can use it to bake some cookies, and even make some peach cobbler. Everything you need brown sugar with, you can just use it and do those beautiful recipes. So this is for the light brown sugar. So let's go a little further. I'm going to show you how to do dark brown sugar. Let's go. Okay, for our second step, we're going to make some dark brown sugar. So for our dark brown sugar, we're going to use 1 cup of regular white sugar. Put in our bowl, and we're gonna use 2 teaspoons of molasses. So we got 1 and 2. Okay, so we're gonna do the same process like we did for the light brown sugar. We're just gonna have to take our finger and rub it in until we reach our dark brown sugar consistency. Let's go. Wow, so after 1 minute of mixing, we have our dark brown sugar ready to be used in any of your favorite recipe like cookies, brownies, etc. Okay, so I have another tip to show you is how to store the brown sugar. It's a very easy tip because you know the brown sugar contains some moisture. To avoid your brown sugar to be clumpy, you're gonna have to stick a piece of white bread in your brown sugar when you store it. That way it doesn't get clumpy. So watch me. So to store your brown sugar, you can just get a jar just like this. Okay, you just put your brown sugar in it. And to make sure it doesn't get clumpy, you just use a piece of white bread. Just insert that between. That way it doesn't get clumpy. So just stick it in like that and you put some more on it. That way your brown sugar stay clump free forever. Okay, so if you didn't know how to make brown sugar, now you know. During your baking, if you run out, it's very easy to make 2 simple ingredients and you're all done. So we have here our video. If you like my video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're new on my channel, consider to subscribe. And also hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace!